Hi everyone, welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christi. I'm Wiggin with Christi. I'm one of the reviewers here for the Wig Studio One team. Today is an educational tutorial video for you. How to measure your head for a topper. Many of you might think you can just pick out a topper and wear a topper. Maybe because you think you don't need a wig or you're not planning on wearing wigs, but measuring for a topper and a base size is very important because you can actually do more damage to your scalp and to your hair if you do not measure for the proper base size. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I am wearing a wig because I have a shaved head. However, I'm going to show you roughly what you would do to measure for this wig. So first you want to find the area of your hair loss. Okay. So my hair loss is right here, front, all the way to my crown. I want to measure that, but first, you actually want to measure a little more than your area of hair loss. So what we would do is we would actually measure for a little bit larger than the spot of your hair loss. So if it started at my hairline, I would actually add 1/2 inch to my hairline. And if it went down to my crown, I would go past the hair loss spot about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. As soon as you feel like you're in healthy, thick hair. But roughly we recommend to add 1/2 inch to 1 inch on each side of the measurement. So my front to back measurement for my base needs to be 8.5 inches. I'm gonna write that down. Now, we said that it was about right here. What you wanna do is you actually want to go over a little bit. You want to go over about 1/2 inch. You want to get into that healthy hair range. Okay, so I want about right here to here. So that is I'm going to say 4-inch base is what I'm going to need. I'm going to give myself a little bit extra room here. So I need an 8.5 to a 4-inch base size. These measurements will let you know what base size you need. If you need any further assistance in finding a topper, feel free to reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com. You can also engage with us in our Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We hope that this video was helpful for you and educational for you, and know that you are not alone. And measuring for a topper might seem scary, but getting those measurements will help a lot in deciding where to start and where to look for a topper. We look forward to connecting with you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.